Ma'am, first of all, thank you so much. We are very grateful to have you here today. Thank you for gracing us with your time and
Not
presence.
at all. It is my pleasure, and I think something that I would never say no to because Cine Vistas has been a very, very important part of my life for many, many years, especially when I was very young and we didn't have many options as actors. I think Cine Vistas gave us regular employment, gave us a feeling that we were important to the industry, and they actually took care of us like a family. At least I can say that from my experience. And we worked with these shows for like years and years and years together. So it was like this long journey that we kept having. And then when one show ended, then we started another. So they were always in my like I don't think I worked with anybody else for many years. I just worked with Cine Vistas. Actually, I'm telling you it's the truth.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing us with your time and presence. Cinevista is very much blessed to have you. Back then also as a family and now also.
Yes, yeah. I go a long way back with Cine Vista. I started in Junoon and one other one which was supposed to be in Kashmir. And also, I have been to their office many times and also. It was very nice when they called me that it's 40 years, I think. Yeah,
Yes.
great.
You have seen very closely how industry has evolved and changed. Ma'am, can you help us with the goods and the bads of that time to goods and the bads of this time?
You know, I'm that kind of a person. I forget the bad. I move on. I want to remember only the good. So I think the best is to just remember the good things and move on.
चाल हिरन सी जुल्फ घटा सी आंखें मैं के प्याले हैं जिससे रोशन है ये दुनिया हम उसके मतवाले हैं
We tell stories well.
कथा सागर दुनिया के महान कथाकारों की चुनी हुई बेहतरीन कहानियां हर कहानी इंसान और इंसानी समाज की एक सच्ची तस्वीर ऐसी तस्वीर जिसे समय की धूल भी धुंधला न सकी
Ma'am, you have worked with Cinevista in Junoon, right?
Right, and I did Maria with them. I did Sahil with them. I've worked with them for many, many years.
Ma'am, give us one memory that you often remember or that whenever it comes by, it brings a smile on your face.
All the 5-6 years I worked with them were one big party. It was hard work, but the memory that makes me smile is 9 to 6 shifts. We never had 12-hour shifts. We did a lot of work, good work, and we were out at 6:30 to enjoy life. And everyone was like a family. Sunil ji, Prem ji, all the editors and all, it was just the most home-like feeling I've ever had with a production house.
Who on the set used to do pranks or used to कहते हैं ना परेशान करना छेड़ना कौन करता था set में ऐसा?
Tom Alter. I miss Tom Alter.
Ma'am, just one thing now. When you got a message or a call from Sunil sir that you have to come here for this reunion or this reunion is happening, what was your first thought or first expression?
My first thought was that, wow, I have not seen you guys for 30 years and I want to meet everybody. Shashi Puri ji, Rakesh Bedi ji, Sunil ji. So I was just absolutely delighted.
when you say such a
Yeah.
long association
Yes,
with them,
exactly.
just give me one memory as to something that crosses by your mind a lot of times, and you laugh, maybe you giggle, or there's a tear, happy tear in your eyes too.
There are so many memories. Look, I mean, I started with them doing a series called Junoon, and then we did a show called Sahil, where I worked with Talat Aziz. I think for me, the strongest memory I have of Cine Vista, which is perhaps it is an emotional memory, is the love I received from Sunil and Prem. I mean, I just don't think that anybody I worked with has given me that kind of respect and that kind of love and that kind of, I would say, work. Just, an actor gets respect via the work that you give them.
Yes.
So the kind of work they gave me and the way they, I would say, behaved with me and with all actors, I'm sure. It was so unique for those times also, So I really, the gratitude I feel is immense. And for actors like myself, who perhaps didn't become the typical heroine of Hindi movies, it suddenly opened up a whole new vista for us. So, Cine Vista.
We have come a long way, but at times we feel like we have only just begun. For there is still so much to say, to tell, and the best has yet to come.
मेरी बहन की इज्जत लूटने वाले रईसजादे, मैं कब से तेरा इंतजार कर रहा था।
रीमा तुम्हारी इस गुस्ताखी को कभी माफ नहीं करेगी। कहाँ है वो?
ये तू अपनी मां से जाके पूछ, उस ऊंचे खानदान वाली से पूछ जिसके पास वो आत्महत्या करने से पहले गिड़गिड़ाने गई थी।
आत्महत्या? क्या?
हाँ, खुदकुशी। पढ़ इसे। ये तेरे नाम की चिट्ठी है, जिसे वो तेरा पता न मिलने की वजह से पोस्ट न कर सकी। इसमें पढ़ कि कैसे तेरी हवस ने उसकी जान ली।
मैं क्यों किसी से मशवरा करती? मुझे यकीन था मेरा बेटा ऐसी जलील हरकत कर ही नहीं सकता।
ऐसी भूल किसी से भी हो सकती है और मुझसे भी हुई है। अग्नि के 4 फेरे लेने से आत्माओं का मेल नहीं होता। और फिर हम तो एक दूसरे के हो चुके थे।
शर्म आती तुम्हारी मुंह से ऐसी बातें सुनते। मैं ऐसी लड़की को अपनी बहू नहीं बना सकती।
अब तुम उसे क्या बहू बनाओगी? उसने तो जान ही दे दी है। तुम्हारे ऊंचे खानदान की नाक बचाने के लिए उसने आत्महत्या कर ली। अगर वो चाहती तो दुनिया भर में ढिंढोरा पीट के कह सकती थी कि उसका बच्चा आदित्य धनराज का है। मालूम है, हमसे 3 कत्ल हुए हैं। एक उसका, दूसरा उसके बच्चे का और तीसरा उसके बदनसीब बाप का।
नहीं।
हाँ।
लेकिन वो यहाँ आया क्यों?
रीमा से मिलने।
क्या? और जब उसे पता चला कि हम पर कैसी कयामत टूट पड़ी है, उसने कुछ नहीं कहा?
कहा वही सब कुछ जो एक गुनाहगार ऐसे मौकों पर कहा करता है कि वो बेगुनाह है। वो रीमा से बहुत प्यार करता है। मुझसे शादी का प्रपोजल लेकर आया है।
ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि वो सच कह रहा हो।
झूठ बोल रहा था वो अपने गुनाहों को शराफत की आड़ में छुपाना चाहता था, लेकिन मैं उसे छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
लेकिन वो तो बहुत अमीर है, तुम उसका मुकाबला कैसे करोगे?
करूंगा। मैं उसकी दौलत की ताकत को दौलत से ही खत्म कर दूंगा।
किसी को मोहब्बत का है जुनून, किसी को अदावत का है जुनून, कोई मुफलिसी का मारा हुआ, किसी को दौलत का है जुनून। जुनून 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 जुनून